Let's start by introducing you to the command update-help. To use this command, you must run Windows PowerShell as an administrator. You also have to have an active internet connection, and it will only run once a day. You can update help on an offline machine. However, it is going to require a couple of things, including another computer that is online, and some type of media where you can transfer the files, either a USB drive or maybe even a network share on a private network. And you also must have administrator on both the computer that is connected to the internet and the one that is not connected to the internet. To do this, you need to work with a command called save help. So let's introduce you to the save help command. You have to run this as an administrator, and you have to specify the location to save your help files to. So let's take a look at an example of save-help. You will see that I named the destination path parameter and where I wanted to save my help documentation. Let's go ahead and let's jump into a demonstration on how you can update your help documentation when you have a computer that is offline. So for this demonstration, we are going to open up Windows PowerShell, and we are going to run the command save-help with the destination path parameter of c:\saved-help. The saved help folder is already set up. I previously set it up as a network share that the server 1 computer has access to. So when I run this command, you will see that it is now saving the help for the different modules that are located on my computer. This may take a few moments, so we are going to pause the recording and return when it is finished. And you will see now that the files have downloaded. Now that that is done running, if we actually open up File Explorer and go into the C drive to the saved help folder, you will see that there are a lot of XML and cabinet files stored in here. This is all of our PowerShell help documentation. Let's now switch over to the server 1 computer and update this help. Now that we are on server 1, let's check and see if we have the help documentation available to us. So we will type git help and git command. And what is returned to us is a message asking us if we want to update our help. On this screen, since this computer is not connected to the network, we do not want to update it using the default behavior. So we are going to say no. And you will see that it returns some very basic information about that command itself. With git command, it is returning the commandlet sets and commandlets that exist, the aliases for it, and a few remarks saying that it cannot download that help documentation currently. What we need to do is perform an offline update. So we will type update help, and then we will specify a source path. And that source path is DC1 saved help. Now once we run that command, it is going to download the help documentation from the source that I specified, and it ran much quicker than it would if it was downloading it from the internet because they're on the same local network. And now when I run git-help, git-command, it returns the full output, including the description and other information.